Sinkove AI is a brand new software that's making waves in the AI space, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced user, you're going to want to stick around for this review because by the end, you'll know exactly what makes Sinkove AI stand out, and if it's the right tool for you. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to mention that you can try Sinkove AI for completely free using the first link below. That's right, no commitments, just dive in and explore, but make sure to watch till the end because I'll also be sharing my top recommended AI tools after trying thousands of them myself. You'll want to see which ones I stand by after this. So, what exactly makes Sinkove AI stand out? Well, first off, it's an AI tool that's designed to help businesses automate and optimize their digital marketing efforts, and it's built with efficiency in mind. From content creation to customer engagement, Sinkove AI promises to be an all-in-one solution. One of the first things you'll notice about Sinkove AI is its simplicity. Many AI tools can be overwhelming, especially when you're new. But Sinkove has streamlined the process, making it incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're not an AI expert, you'll find the interface intuitive, which means less time spent learning and more time spent creating. This is crucial for businesses that need to scale quickly without dealing with a steep learning curve. Next, Sinkove AI offers powerful automation capabilities. If you're running a digital marketing campaign, you know that automating repetitive tasks is a game changer. Sinkove AI helps you do just that by automating everything from social media posts to email marketing, saving you hours of manual work. It's not just about doing more in less time, it's about doing it better too. The AI adapts to your business needs, offering recommendations that can refine your campaigns and improve results. What sets Sinkove AI apart from others is its ability to analyze data in real time. While many AI tools can process information, Sinkove does it with a unique focus on actionable insights. This means it doesn't just give you data, it helps you understand it, turning raw numbers into clear strategies you can act on right away. If you're someone who wants to make data-driven decisions but doesn't have the time to dig deep into analytics, this feature will be a game changer for you. Another standout feature is Sinkove AI's customer engagement tools. Whether you're using it for email marketing, chatbots, or social media, it provides automated yet personalized interactions. It can segment your audience and tailor messages based on their behavior, ensuring you're always delivering the right content to the right people at the right time. This level of personalization isn't easy to achieve manually, but Sinkove AI makes it effortless. Now, let's talk about content creation. For anyone in digital marketing, creating fresh content regularly is a must. Sinkove AI makes it easy to generate high-quality content, from blog posts to ad copy, with just a few inputs. You can even use the AI to help brainstorm ideas, which is perfect for those moments when you're stuck and need some inspiration. The tool is designed to maintain a consistent voice and style across all your content, so you never have to worry about varying tones or losing your brand's identity. Another feature worth mentioning is Sinkove AI's scalability. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large corporation, this software is built to grow with you. The flexible pricing plans and ability to scale up as your business needs evolve make it a great investment, no matter where you are in your business journey. Finally, Sinkove AI's integration capabilities are top-notch. It connects easily with popular platforms like Shopify, Google Analytics, and major CRM tools. This means you can manage everything from one central hub, making it incredibly efficient for teams looking to centralize their operations. So, there you have it. 7 crucial things you need to know about Sinkove AI. If you're ready to dive in and try it out, remember that you can access it for free through the first link in the description. And if you've tried other AI tools and are looking for something that truly stands out in terms of simplicity, automation, data analysis, and customer engagement, I highly recommend giving Sinkove AI a go. As promised, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've also left my top recommended ones in the description below. These are tools I trust and use for my own business operations. Be sure to check them out and let me know which ones you love in the comments.